Hey everybody, welcome to Animation Capstone. That's right, welcome to Animation Capstone, week 4 at the end, where we're starting to add some transitions and really add a little bit more with Premiere Pro. How we can do this both with audio and, sorry about that, and video transitions at the same time. So yeah, let's get into it. So just give you all a heads up, don't worry about any discussion posts this week. Just want to turn in your music assignments and your live lectures and you should be good to go. All right, those will be on Sunday. Now, transition premieres, you can add transitions in between clips. Now that clips sit side by side in your sequence after we showed how to add it during lecture, you can try adding transitions between them. In the same panel group as the project panel, you'll find the effects panel tab. Just choose window effects to reveal it, and then open the video transitions folder, and then open the dissolve folder to see any available dissolve effects. That's a good start to go from there. And you can drag in the cross dissolve effect between two clips you previously trimmed and then play your sequence to see how it looks. Have fun experimenting with the other dissolve effects like adjacent clips, dip to black, or dip to white. You can do a lot of different things with that. Now you can also use crossfades with audio clips. Just make sure the two audio clips are adjacent, much like the video clips, and both of them are trimmed. Just make sure you do one of the following. To add the audio transition, move the current timeline indicator to the edit point between the clips, and then choose sequence and apply audio transition, and then add which transition you want to use in the default in the audio transitions bins. Same thing with fade in, fade out. You want to choose crossfade with that, and then you're going to do the same thing with fade in, fade out as well. Same kind of process over that, and it should work pretty well. All right, sweet. Other than that, that's all I got. This should be a pretty simple week this week. If you have any questions, comments, concerns, let me know. But other than that, all your assignments are due on Sunday. Make sure they're turned in by 11:59 p.m. Central. And that's all I got. So be safe, have fun, enjoy, take it easy, my friends. Talk to you later. Bye-bye.